Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Bushcraft Heroes. I'm Ruben.
I'm Matt.
I'm Bo.
Back again. Good to have you back, brother.
Yeah.
What we doing today?
Well, winter is coming and we need to restock our wood pile. The wood pile is completely empty and more than ever we need a good supply of wood.
Yeah, we found that in winter last year, a lot of the time on our trip was spent collecting firewood and processing firewood, and a lot of the time it would be wet. So seeing as we have a permanent base camp here, it makes a lot of sense to actually pre-prepare all the firewood that we're going to need for winter.
And it will free up all this time when we're out here in that cold conditions to just have a fire, feed it as much as we want, and then get on with other projects that we want to do out here.
Since we've got so much firewood to process and we're going to be busy all day, we might as well build a sawhorse to make things a lot easier, less back tax.
A lot of people have requested a sawhorse too, so it's about time we built one.
It should have been done like day one, but yeah, here we are.
Let's do it.
Let's get it on. Bug crawling on me.
How's it being back?
Good, yeah. Yeah, it's really nice to be out and bushcrafting.
So we're going to make a fire to get some coffee on the go. Just wanted to share with you guys Bo's awesome new fire stills. Any of you guys who follow us on Instagram will have seen these already, but check how cool those are, man. We had this huge junky pile of just offcuts and stuff that was just kind of a big mess. And because winter's coming and the snow is going to want to blow up into the back of the fire storage, I just thought I'd make a debris wall to kind of protect the back of the fire storage. And also I put a lot of debris and stuff on top of the tarp here and reinforced under the tarp so that it can take the snow weight a lot better. So the whole thing now is like a lot more sturdy because it's got all this stuff piled on it. So it should keep our wood that we're going to prepare nice and dry.
So now we're just gonna quickly lash these X's together and move from there.
Military surplus stuff.
Feeling good and solid?
Now we're going to make the horizontals for the bottom half.
Look at that lush red hair. Women are swooning over his lush red locks of hair.
So I ended up putting a custom handle on my knife because I find the ones that come stock with the Essies are a bit flat. They don't have any swell in them, and I've got quite big hands, so yeah, I just took those scales off and just made myself some custom ones, and I made them big and then kept filing them down until they were
The right
perfect.
thickness.
Yeah, so now it's just custom made for my hand. It's great.
What are they made of?
Acacia wood, so it's like chopping boards from IKEA. Yeah, really, but it's really nice hard wood. It looks great.
So we decided to go for narrower pieces for this because we just tested it out. It appears that they don't need to be super thick. So just there. Right. It's already
and
solid.
then there's one on the other side.
So
Yeah.
we need
Should I tie these off then?
Sure.
another piece like that, huh?
Holy rock hard.
Oh wow, yeah, that is insane how much tighter it makes it with those cross pieces from just Wobbleville to just solid as a rock.
come down fairly steep there.
This is so high though, it only needs to be like here really.
It was just to try and match the angle of the other side.
Oh, right, I see.
It's fine.
Just a sawhorse. Nice!
So, into position.
Yeah. Okay, so we finished the sawhorse. It didn't take too long actually, a couple of hours. It's super solid. We're very happy with how firm it is, so I'm gonna give it a go and I'm gonna try and cut the end of this log off with no help and see how easy it is. Piece of cake, mate. And it will fall down there nicely by the firewood storage, which is perfect. That's the perfect spot for it.
Yeah.
Mate, job's a good one.
Well done.
Tim's got one. Cool.
So at this point there was only one thing left to do on the trip, and that was to collect up all the firewood and fill up that wood storage. So while Ruben was felling as many dead standing trees as he could find, myself and Bo were taking it in turns to collect up that wood and bring it back, and the other person to split it into pieces. So we've had a good little session. It's been about an hour of cutting down deadfall. There was a huge widowmaker right next to our camp we've been keeping an eye on, and it's kind of windy today, so we thought it was a good day to just get it out the way. And I'm really glad we did, because as it fell it just shattered into like thousands of pieces, so really glad we took that one down. Some of it was good for firewood, some of it was punky and rotten. And you can see we filled up half the wood shelter already in an hour, so now we're going to go and collect up some more of it and just keep splitting it down, try and fill this guy all the way up. Tell you what, it's hard work, but it's still good fun. Nice to be doing something physical that isn't super a lot to think about, you know, it's just processing firewood. Needs to be done though. It's great. Okay guys, so if you've been enjoying some of the action cam shots from this video, just want to do a quick mention to Powerextra. They manufacture very affordable action cameras, and they kindly sent this one out for us to see how we liked it. and we've been using it in this video. So if you enjoy the shots and you're looking for an action camera, this one's $100 and it shoots in 4K, 24 frames a second, 1080p at 60 frames a second or 30, and then 720 it does time lapse, it does you know, all the stuff that a normal action cam would do. So very affordable and very easy to use. The nice thing about it too is also it has a screen on the back, so you can actually see what you're pointing the camera at, which was always an issue with my old GoPro. It didn't have a screen. So very nice little action camera if you guys are in the market for that. I'll put a link in the description in case you are. And to power it, we're using the Orki 20,000 milliamp hour power bank. Orki make a couple of different versions. This is the 20,000 milliamp hour one. It's a very cool little power bank. It does, you can charge 2 devices at the same time, which is nice. It has 1 fast charging port and 1 regular charging port. And if you hold down the power button, it also has a little LED torch on there, which is really nice. These are actually $35 on Amazon, which is insanely cheap for a 20,000 milliamp hour battery pack. So if you're in the market for some very affordable electronics for making your own videos, I'll leave links to both of these products in the description for you guys.
Looks good with that firewood shelter full of firewood.
That is what it's born to do,
It
man.
was looking a little empty there.
It's looking a little sparse.
It was completely empty.
Yeah. We sucked the shit dry.
But it did well.
Oh yeah. And that was all green, so if we buck up all this other stuff that is green, stack it up somewhere to dry. Even if it's out in the open, it doesn't even need to be sheltered.
Yeah.
It'll just dry in there. Yeah. Dry in the air.
That was a good day, huh?
Very good day.
Look at all this beautiful firewood. That's 2 rows deep. That should last us a good few trips, I think.
Yeah, definitely. Nice and split as well.
Yeah.
Really good.
We did cheat and we did use the chainsaw a little bit. Well, actually for most of it. Just because we were only here for a few hours today, and so...
Well, it's like I said earlier in the live stream, it actually frees us up to do more bushcrafty things in other videos.
Yeah, rather than doing the same thing of just collecting firewood over and over.
It frees our time up amazingly to just get that done today.
Yeah.
So it's really
it was good. It was good. I enjoyed it.
So sawhorse and wood, right?
Yeah, the sawhorse was nice. I really enjoyed making that. And I think it's something that's going to come in very handy in later episodes.
Yeah, for builds I think as well.
Yeah.
Cutting things to the right length. And
yeah. So if you've enjoyed the video, please leave a like or a comment. Let us know what you thought.
Don't forget to subscribe.
and we'll see you next time.
Adios.